Hello guys, use my phone Samsung Galaxy M52, this version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look complementation. In complementation we have device in the black color. Okay, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. This all complementation. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED, on the front side display 6.7-inch front camera, on this side power key volume keys, this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on the back side triple camera LED, downside USB Type-C port. Okay, and we doesn't have headphones jack. 6.7-inch display, Full HD Plus resolution, Super AMOLED, 120 Hz. Okay, open tests, Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Snapdragon 778, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 1.8 and 2.4 GHz, and GPU Adreno 632L. Resolution, display PPA, look results. Single core score and multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Okay. AnTuTu benchmark results. Device support 10 touches, and AnTuTu benchmark results, very good. Close this. Okay, run demonic game Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device. Works very good on the max graphic level. Graphics 24, very good. And game works without lags and glitches. Perfect gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.